Welcome back to Excel Chicks. In this video, we are going to show you how to use formulas to create age bands. So the first thing I'm going to do is create an age band key. So you can see right now I'm entering my min and max values, and then I'm going to set up my age bands. And the reason we're setting this age band display key up with a formula is so that we can change our age band min and max ranges, and it will populate for us. So it's a little bit of work up front, so we get to do less work as we use this as a template. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to enter our if formula. And this looks like a very complicated formula, and it is a complicated formula, but I'm here to help you break it down. So if we look at this formula, we can see this first section, if, and then paren, B2. So that's looking at age. You can see everything's highlighted here. So if age, in this case our age is 15 that's displaying, if it's less than or equal to the value in F3, and we're using absolute references here because we do not want those to change. That is our grid. And so if you use this absolute reference, so that is basically saying if it's less than 17, then display what is in G3. So then we go to our next if function, and this next if function is an if and function, and this is looking at two criteria. It's saying if B2 is greater than E4 or 18, and B2 is less than or equal to F4 or 29, then return or display G4. And then we go to the next age band. If B2 is greater than or equal to E5, 30, but it's less than or equal to 44, then display what's in G5. So you see we've done that for each of the arguments for age bands here. The last age band is just using another if function because now we're just looking to see there's no min and max, there's just a minimum. So if B2 is greater than or equal to E7, then display G7. Once we have our formula entered, we're going to use our autofill handler to drag the formula down, and then we see we have all of our age bands. And now I'm going to show how we can quickly do a count if. So we're doing a count if on our range and our criteria, so we can see we can quickly count that information. And in addition to that, we can change our min and max numbers here. And you can see that everything adjusts. Because we took the time to set up the formulas beforehand, we can change our min and max. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you once again for watching. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. And until next time.